crack juice. They got something in there called the crack juice, man. She said, you can't leave without getting no crack juice. That damn crack juice. Let me get to it. She said, you know that crack keep you coming back. I said, okay. I know that's right. Bruh. Bruh, that hey. You'll think it'll be sweet because of the name crack juice. It's fresh like a lemon. It tastes like a lemon, but it got some tropical shit going on in there. It's like a Jamaican me happy on that motherfucker. Something like that. Hey. Blue Kitchen ain't playing, man.